Hey guys, my name is Jay Patel. I'm one of the PA working at MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about testosterone replacement therapy. Testosterone is a hormone that stimulates the development of male secondary sexual characteristic. Testosterone is an anabolic hormone. It has a lot of function in our body. Testosterone is responsible for helping you build muscle. There are certain signs of low testosterone. The common signs are feeling tired end of the day. If you are losing muscle and gaining fat, specifically a lot of belly fat. If your sex drive is low, if you are having poor erection, if your concentration has gone down, if you are not motivated to exercise, if you don't have enough strength to work out, this all can be a sign of low testosterone. The testosterone replacement therapy helps you improve your energy, your mood, lean muscle mass, helps you lose belly fat, improves your concentration and your overall well-being. It also improves your sex drive and helps you with good erections. We use different type of testosterone replacement therapy. We use injections therapy, pellet therapy, cream, and oral testosterone. Call us today and get your levels checked and see how we can help.